What's going on, everybody, tonight? I don't know if any of you guys have looked at my YouTube shorts. Yeah, I got tape on my shirt. It's a company logo. Don't want that to come back and bite me in the butt. Anyway, so today, I don't know if you've seen my YouTube shorts or if you've watched them at all or if anybody has really. But anyway, so I've been working on this like 1980 something. I think it's a 1980 Murray 11 if I'm going to be completely honest with you. But I've been working on it a little bit. I'll show it to you here if I can figure out how to... Couldn't figure out how to flip the camera, so I just started and restopped it. But anyway, so we're going to figure out if this dude will turn over. If you've been watching on my shorts feed, it's one of the cool looking ones. I'm going to see if I can polish that up and get it ready. But I figured I would drop like an actual video on here instead of a YouTube short. I'm going to pull this motor out and put a Craftsman 420 engine in here. I'll show you what I'm pulling it out of here later, but not too terribly important. But anyways, so it's a 1980-ish Murray 11. I got the battery tender or jump box on the battery. I got the key in the ignition. Clearly it's not going to start because I don't have any gas in it or anything. I just want to see if this engine will turn over. See if it's even worth keeping. Maybe restore it. Maybe do something with it. I don't know yet. Haven't fully committed to it. But just out of curiosity, let's see if it turns over. I'll turn this dude on. Try and do it all in one take. That way it's not something stupid. Do like a 5-10 minute video for you guys or something like that. But clearly that's not going to work, obviously. But we got this sweet 12.2 here. Let's see if I can get this to tap into it. Negative, not doing nothing. I have a feeling with as old as this 12.2 is, there's probably some other reason why it's not working. Let's see if we can get this ground to touch. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, she turns over. It's a good start. Well, not really a start, but it's a good something. Anyways. Heck yeah. So let's get to pulling this dude out then. I'm going to go ahead and make all that into one video because there's no point in doing like a 3-part, 5-part thing. Not even worth it. Anyway, got to start by taking the cable out here. Oh, you didn't even see that. Taking the cable out here, taking all this stuff off the side of the motor, all the wiring. I don't know how much of it I'm going to actually be able to reuse. Probably none of it. But anyway, let's get to pulling this dude out. Just out of curiosity, let's check the oil on this bad girl. Oh, even better. But if you look down in there, oh yeah, she's got oil. You can see it right there. Oh. Right there. There it is. She's got oil in there. Nothing on the dipstick. Zoom back out. Nothing on... Well, there's a little bit on the end of the dipstick. What in the hell? Anyway. Like I said, thankfully I'm pulling this motor out, so it's not that big of a deal. That's freaking... What the heck is that all about? But anyways. Alright. Like I said, let's pull this motor out. Alright guys, so here's what you're going to want to do. This is the starter wire here. Pull that dude out. I'll zoom out a little bit. I don't know what this is. Some sort of sensor under there. That's for the headlights. I'm going to pull the drain plug on the oil because I don't want to get oil all over the floor. That should be attached, but it's not. Anyway, I'm going to pull the plug, drain the oil, get underneath the mower, pull 4 bolts out of each corner, and pull this motor out, hopefully. Hopefully it goes pretty easy. I don't feel like it's going to, but we'll see. I'll show you whenever I get the motor pulled out. It'll be just a second for you guys. Alright guys, so up underneath the tractor now. If you look under here, you'll see a bunch of junk. But there's that bolt. One second. This bolt here. That bolt right there. There's 2 more on this side, one right there, and one over there somewhere. I can't see the phone, so I don't know where it's at. But anyway, you take those 4 bolts out, plus all these, this belt drive and stuff like that, and it'll come right out, or the motor should anyway. And I'm going to inspect some pulleys and figure out if the things are even worth a flip anymore. Along with that rear end, kind of doubt it. It's a 3-speed, which is kind of cool, but and then I got the old trusty propane tank holding her up. because that's all you need. Trust that over any Harbor Freight jack stand, guaranteed, 100%, 10 out of 10. Let me zoom that dude out. But yeah, check that out. Got her lifted up. Yeah, I got the old Ryobi fan over there. Got an impact here too. Don't knock it till you tried it. They're pretty good. But I'm gonna get all 4 of those bolts out, get that belt off there, and then we'll figure out what we got left. See you guys in a second. Right back again, just real fast. So those bolts are 14mm. Use an impact, pull them out. Pretty simple. But I did learn that if you keep your fan over there like I had it a second ago, whenever you pull those little bolts out, those little dudes right there, oh yeah, you'll get covered in all sorts of stuff. It'll be all on your face. So take that fan and blow it towards your head in some other direction other than what you're drilling. That would be great. Anyways, back to pulling this motor. Alright guys, so there it is. Pulled her off the jack stand. Got the engine out. Sitting over here. Just hanging out for right now. Don't know what I'm going to do with it if I do anything. There it goes, focused. But it's out, so tomorrow I'll start the process. I'll clean all this stuff up, try and get all that grease and stuff off of there, and then probably try and sort out some of this wiring mess. There's a bunch of random wires just hanging out. Not sure what's going on there, but we'll figure it out. Get rid of that starter solenoid and start messing with other things. Probably start sanding and getting this thing ready for paint, but we'll see. Just depends on how everything goes. Anyway, if you like what you see, you want to see more of it, go ahead and like this video, comment on it, whatever you suggest. If you see anything else that needs to be fixed or changed, and I'll see you on the next video. Appreciate you.